Good morning, lovelies. It's like 6:30 and I'm in the process of getting ready to leave for school, which is a bit intense, and it's going to be a long week. Just long. So right now I'm off to 6:45 leadership class, so wish me luck. So never take calculus. It's just like the worst thing ever, and I don't understand it, and there's too many numbers, and I hate school. Hey guys, so I'm in the car just leaving Target, and I just thought I'd show you really quick the few little things I bought in a little mini haul. So first, I got this new tripod. It's a little 42-inch. It's really short. So the shortest it goes is like 11 inches is when it's folded. So it's perfect size to replace my hairspray can. So thank God I got that. I picked up a new trash can because mine's gross. Some Altoids Smalls. And a chocolate bar. Ooh. So now I'm heading home, and then I'm going to go to Sally's with Maddie and get some hair dye for her, not me. And yeah, so goodbye. Sup, bros? I'm in the car with Maddie.
Oh shoot! I shouldn't have taken this turn. That's gonna take forever. It's rush hour.
So Maddie doesn't know how to drive.
Sucks.
We are on our way
Actually,
to.
I can go right now. No, I can't.
Oh, you could have.
I could have. I totally could have. I didn't see that he had his blinker on.
This is what happens when we let Maddie drive. We were on our way to Sally's to pick up hair dye.
Oh, but we have to tell my mom that you bought it.
So, this is like the third thing this month, and the month has barely started. This third thing this month that someone's told me that if my mom asks, you paid for it. I'm like, great! So your parents are all gonna hate me.
Well, I have money. It's just I'm not supposed to spend any of it. I'm supposed to
yeah,
save it up
for college.
Yeah, but this is like $8.
Exactly, it's
like,
not
I don't see
expensive.
what the big deal is. And I pay tithing already, so they can't get on me.
Boom.
Boom.
And so, you know that tripod I just showed you? Yeah, it killed my finger. Like, literally, it's still bleeding. I literally opened, okay, so I opened it, and I went to close it, and it pinched me, and that was like 10 minutes ago. Okay, not 10 minutes ago, almost 10 minutes ago. And it's still bleeding. Like, when Maddie got to my house, I was putting Band-Aids on it.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, stupid.
Oh my gosh.
So, yeah.
Today, so my boss called me for the one that I'm nannying. Mm-hmm. And I'm really nervous for this job. Because...
Is the child crazy?
No, she's really nice. She's
okay.
like Leela.
Oh, she's like Leela, okay.
Yeah, actually, she like looks like Leela too. It's
That's
really
kind of scary.
Yeah. But
Leela's our drama teacher's daughter.
Yeah. But I was like, children. Okay, what do I do? I'm like, I need to think of like arts and crafts.
We need to like internet.
Yeah.
Like we need to get on Google.
I feel like I need to like learn like songs. Like.
Learn like songs.
Yeah, and be like, reindeer went. I don't know. Something.
The reindeer went something. So yeah, we are gonna go buy hair dye. See ya. Hello everybody. So right now I'm just sitting in my room. It is 8:58 p.m. on Monday. I'm watching some 11th Gorgeous, and I just filmed my reaction to the One Direction Kiss You music video, and I got my new tripod set up and was using that. So yes. So you guys can actually see my setup. You guys never really get to see that. This is how I film. I have my computer and then some body products that I use like every day because this is my dresser. And so I just have the stuff that I use every morning, like my deodorant and body sprays and hairspray. Because I always forget to do hairspray in the bathroom, and so I have to do it when I get in my room. Then my camera set up, my notepad, and a pen and sticky notes, like if I need to write something down really quick. It's all pink. Like right now I'm making a list of videos to do on here. And right here is like the vlog series stuff, and then my phone. And so, and like stuff I have to bring downstairs because I always forget to. And yeah, with my inspiration, my boy bands. So yes, I'm just chilling, watching some videos. I might edit a little tonight. I don't know. Maybe. And I got a Band-Aid on my thumb because this tripod is evil. But you know what? It is what it is. So yes, good night, lovelies. Hey lovelies, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is gross, so I am going to comb it out and finish getting ready for bed, and then I'm going to do some editing. And yeah, so my day was pretty boring. School, more school, school. I went home early because I wasn't feeling good. So then I laid on the couch and I watched General Hospital, which if you don't watch, you should watch because it was intense today. And I was like, ah! And then, yeah, and then I drove my friend to pick up dinner because her mom wasn't feeling well. And then I went to my house and I watched the new episode of Pretty Little Liars, which, I feel bad since I'm going to post this on Wednesday or tonight. And so some people might not have watched it, but it was... I need more already, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. Just, yeah. And Dance Moms 2 was intense tonight. And I won't say much more because I know a lot of people won't have watched them by the time I put this up. But, I need more. Next Tuesday can't come quick enough. So yeah, I'm going to go and get ready and edit, and I shall talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so now I'm just sitting at my computer editing, but it's taking forever to get it uploaded. Where'd it go? Oh, you can't see it, it's all too dark, but it's still trying to time it up. And so, yeah, this video is just going to be a really common one. It's just my what's in my purse video. And yeah. So that's what I'm doing today, and then I'm hopefully going to get that uploaded and go to bed because I am exhausted and still don't feel good. And yeah, can't really think of anything else. Life's been kind of just normal today. So goodbye. Okay, so this is a vlog exclusive, not going anywhere else. I don't know what this is. I'm just editing this video right now. And I guess I didn't even notice it when I was filming because I would have stopped filming. But I made this really weird noise when going through my wallet. And so I'm gonna play it back for you. Let me get some sound up on this thing. 1 second. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna play it again. I don't know. I'm apparently crazy. Why do videos take so long to upload? I'll be up until midnight at this rate.